tribe, it's your girl Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to review this collaboration that I did with Jewel Hair using this amazing kinky hair headband wig. It's so fabulous, so soft, so lush. I always upload on my channel every Monday by 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Till next. Can you see that? Can you see it's so full? It's like a full hair, and the good thing is you can adjust the headband to any size you want, to your comfort. If it's too tight, you can loosen it. If it's too loose, you can tighten it because it's got the velcro that goes all the way, and that's so fabulous. Another good thing is it came with this amazing headband. I'm going to show you how to put it on and how to get your slay on. If you think this is something you like or something you want to know more about, keep watching. And if you're a new subscriber here, hey, welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, I say I love you, I appreciate you, and you guys are the best. Thank you for your likes, your comments, your love, your share. You guys make me come back every day and create amazing content for you. Thank you for the support and the show of love. Let's just get right into this video and unbox this hair together. Came in this package. It's pinky strip. Came with this. Came with a 3D lash freebie. Came with another wig cap. It came with this free headband, which I'm gonna just hook on my neck right now. It's hard. Woo, that was hard. So today I'm gonna be reviewing this kinky hair wig. Pardon this, you know, I did that just so that I can get in quick. So if you're new to my channel, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be reviewing another hair, and this hair is from Jewel Hair. This is what it looks like. Here we've got 3 pins, one here and 2 by the sides with one at the back. We've got the headband, which I'm going to open up. So what I'm just going to do right now is pop this on my hair like so. Number one styling that we're going to start with is we can actually wear this like this and pull this all over. So this is the freebie headband that I got with my order, and you can just place this over here. So I'm just going to take this and bring it forward. Look at that. Look at the way my chicness just changed in a couple of seconds. This is style number 1 with the headband wing. I've got this, and it sort of has like a little bit of my color. Right now I'm just running my hot comb through this. The same over here. So it's smooth and slick. Let's take another style. Just take it up a notch a little bit. This is another way you can style your hair. This is another way you can style your hair. Just do it like so. Flip it to this side, or you can flip it to the other side. Even if you take up this at other headband, it's still going to be fabulous because you have the black headband holding the hair in place. It's so lush. I love the way it feels. I can't believe that with this price and at this quality, it came out so great. Like, this is so fabulous. Let me take off this headband so you guys see that you can actually use it without the headband. Now I took off the headband, and as you can see, it's still fabulous. You don't need to go with the headband, but if you have different headbands or head, you know, accessories, you can actually tuck it in and it's going to stand out and make you look fabulous. I absolutely love this hair. I'm going to be rocking it so much. You guys are going to see it in a lot of my videos. So if you know you want to partake in this awesomeness and look fly, click the link in my description box to go get yours. You should totally get one yourself. If you're going to be purchasing it, kindly tag me on Instagram so I'll be able to repost you, and let me know in the comment section if you like the review of this hair and if you'll be getting one. If you do, kindly tag me. I want to know if I'm influencing you positively. Thank you for watching my channel today and staying in tuned. Till next time, I'm going to bring you more fabulous, exciting and creative videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you love this video. Drop your comments in the comment section and share this video. Stay tuned.